reliable paste printing process has significant impact on the yield and quality of an SMT line. One of the most central parameters is the stencil's service life, which is very difficult to monitor and control. As the number of print cycles increases, the stencil's tension and surface quality decline due to material expansion, bumps and squeegee pressure. The stencil no longer detaches evenly from the board, which leads to deformed solder deposits, dog ears, and more solder particles getting stuck in the apertures. Manually controlling a stencil's age and service life requires a lot of time and money, and running a seamless monitoring system currently requires a complex interface to a manufacturing execution system. ASM SmartStencil is an RFID-based solution for managing the service life of printing stencils. All the necessary data is linked to the respective stencil via the ASM SmartStencil RFID tag and can be recalled at any time. ASM SmartStencil tags can be affixed not only to ASM-made stencils, but are available to high-quality stencil manufacturers worldwide. The RFID tags are attached in a defined stencil area and encoded with a unique ID and manufacturing data. ASM SmartStencil works with all frame systems and all stencil types and materials. It works especially well with the DEC VectorGuard system. DEC printers with the ASM SmartStencil option verify the stencil and read out the past number of print cycles from the RFID tag. They update the RFID tag by adding the current job's actual print cycles. When the stencil's programmed warning threshold is reached, the printer issues a warning and continues to print. This gives the manufacturer time to order a new stencil. When the number of print cycles reaches the stop threshold, the printer stops its operation. The stencil must be replaced. The ASM RFID handheld programmer makes the solution even more flexible and efficient. With the ASM RFID handheld programmer, the RFID tags can be read and written to offline. You can retrofit stencils with RFID tags and program them. That way, you can store and update manually recorded print cycles, warning and stop thresholds, and other process-relevant information. With the ASM RFID handheld programmers, properly authorized operators can even overwrite defined thresholds. For example, if only a few more print cycles are needed to finish the current job. ASM SmartStencil is a convenient and flexible solution for the reliable control of stencil service lives. Each print cycle is recorded without fail in the RFID tag, no matter on which line the stencil is used. ASM SmartStencil can be added to existing printers and stencils irrespective of the frame system or stencil material. It makes any manufacturer's in-house and ordering logistics much more efficient. ASM SmartStencil, for the smart observation and documentation of stencil service lives that improves the yield and quality of your SMT production.